now getting our best look yet at a working Fold 8 as it's teased by BTS member J-Hope. Samsung has officially locked in the date for its next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place in London on July 22nd. According to a recent leak, Galaxy Z Fold8 will start at $1,899 in the US, 256GB storage, while Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra will reportedly go for $2,099. We've already seen the Galaxy Z Fold8 dummy in white, and the latest leak gives us a look at it in black as well. Weighs only 201 grams. Features a shorter and wider chassis. Packs a 5.5-inch cover screen with a highly usable 16:10 aspect ratio. The inner folding screen is a 7.6-inch panel. Both utilize 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2X technology, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor, paired with 12GB of RAM and storage options spanning 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. A dual camera array on the back, a 50MP primary lens, f/1.8, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. 10MP selfie cameras sit on both, equipped with a 4,800 mAh battery that supports 45W super fast wired charging and 15W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.